The Black Hawk Foundation is in a place called Harwick in KZN, in a farm called the Mount Park Farm. We are here today for our third installment of our fundraising experience. We do this every year to fundraise for our yearly programs, and this year our tickets were sold out. We are happy and we do appreciate the support that we are getting from the people, and we will be here for the whole of the weekend, starting from today the 17th until the 19th of April 2026. We're looking forward to working with the people around here and those who came to support us. Thank you very much.
Guys, finally we made it. Hey, this hike was so excellent. We really enjoyed every moment of this hike. Yeah! Yeah! Guys, yeah!
The hike was difficult. I do not recommend it to anybody. Wow! But we made it. We're back. Look at us today.
What a weekend. We had a good time with Jesus Brothers to come to a camp Black Hawk, and in collaboration with Jesus Brothers. What a good time, and we liked the cause of it because they are there for the people, and we believe in being part of the things that make people to become better. So we enjoyed our weekend. We had to go up the mountain, slept on the tents, so we enjoyed ourselves.
Please come through on the next one. It will be more fun.
Certificate is of appreciation from Black Hawk. Sisebenze kahle kakhulu ne-Jesus Brothers. The weekend was a success. We appreciate the collaboration. May this partnership last beyond this camp, and then between Black Hawk and Jesus Brothers, there's more that we can do to benefit the communities zethu, the communities esisuka kuzo. Enkosi kakhulu.
Siyabulela kakhulu. We say everyone that is listening, join us to the next one. And also the single is out called Promise. You can find it in any digital platform. Yeah.
You can find it on iTunes, Spotify, Deezer, and all these digital distributors. Please download Promise.
Thank you.
Promise. Go.
Rewind, going to times 2. Kabanga ukuthi
Shower caps and everything.
I was so ready for one.
Andikho ready ncamba kuyazilemba ndike ready.
Akumnandi kwamba ne. Angase singathatha enye 3 days.
Kanti wayisiphangela sisebenza.
For what good reason? No, I guess next day is another day.
We're supposed to be staying here all the time.
Ne?
And then get to know each other.
Imagine this was
camp.
Imagine this was a day-to-day life. If they forget 10
Molweni ku guests zonke ne members ze Black Hawk. sidluli kukubulela ke kuba sesivala apha sifikile sonke Friday safika kamnandi. Woy, what a joyful audience. Nisincedise kakhulu, sibaninzi kakhulu. Kumnandi ke because we also learned ukuthi since lento siyiqale 3 years ago, sasiqale with the guests eziyi 35. Last year zabayi 65. Kulo nyaka it was 101 guests. So siyabonga kakhulu. Next year same time or around same time sizawuphinda. Iyasincedisa kakhulu lento. We have realized ukuthi our camp is growing kakhulu, has grown so much, and nefun yakhona it levelishe up ngendlela different. Siyabonga kakhulu, sibonga kumuntu wonke. Sihambeni kakuhle. Sonke sibulise emakhaya. For all those that have missed out this year, next year is still an opportunity. They might come, and they must come in numbers. We will start early next year to sell tickets so that we will know ukuthi venues as accommodator. Sidinga abantu abangaphi. Enkosi.
Anything that you do, anything that you say, anything that you do.